Hello students. In our last video we have discussed what is object oriented programming, how we can do object oriented programming that is based on class and objects, and there are four concepts related to object oriented programming that are polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance and abstraction. So in this video we'll discuss about polymorphism. So what does the word polymorphism means? So polymorphism means one thing having different forms. Okay, so in object oriented programming or in programming language, polymorphism is said as the feature using which an object behaves differently in different situations. That means what? An object having the same name will behave differently, means it will have different functions. Name will be same but will have different functions in different situation. Okay, so this polymorphism is accomplished by two ways. One is function overloading, another is operator overloading. Okay, so definitions in question in exam, this also come, what is polymorphism and what is function overloading. These questions come. So let's see what is function overloading and how we can achieve polymorphism by function overloading, and what does really that means in the programming. We'll see an example of it in this video. Okay, so what is function overloading? So, according to the definition, function or overloading allows a programmer to use multiple functions with the same name in a program. Okay, that means what? This lines means that in a single program we can use multiple functions with the same name. Okay, so generally what we have discussed is that no variable or no function in a program can have same name. No two function or no two variable in a program can have same name. Why? Because simple is that because it will create what? Confusion, right? Program cannot will when we'll call, say two function are there, one is a, another is also a. So when the program will call function a, so which a it will be called, right? दो अगर a हुआ, दो फंक्शन का नाम a या b, दो फंक्शन का नाम से b, ऑल राइट. सो अगर प्रोग्राम में आगे जाके b को कॉल किया, सो which b will be called, the first b or to the second b? How can you understand? That's why we generally don't give the same name. But in function overloading, what happens is in a single program you can give same name to multiple functions, but there is a but. What? The return type of the function or the arguments in the function must be different. Any one of these two or both of them must be different. That means what? Two functions or three functions may have the same name, but either their return type must be different or the arguments of the function must be different. Okay, then that is what simply written that you can directly say functions having the same name but different types or arguments in a program is called function overloading. All right, so let's see an example of function overloading. See here, we have taken two functions of the same name, add, here also add, right? Both function have the same name, add. So now what condition was given? That either the return type must be different or the arguments must be different. If everything is same, say return type is same, name is same, argument is same, then that is wrong. You cannot write in that way, that will show error. All right, so let's see the next condition is satisfied, not. So this is the return type, int. So return type also became same, right? Name of the function also became same, return type also became same. Now what is left is the arguments. So arguments must be different, it cannot be same. So let's see the arguments. So we have taken two variables of type int, and the variable name given is num1 and num2. Alright, in the second function add, what we have taken is three variables, all are type int, and num1, num2 and num3. So see, the arguments are different, right? Here only two variables we have taken, here three variables we have taken. So arguments are different. Maybe num1, num2 variable name is same, but in total here is no num3, but here is num3. So the arguments are different, so it satisfies the condition. So this is an example of function overloading. Name is same, return type is same, argument is different. Or you can say, if there can be another condition is, say this is not there, only num1 num2 is there, but this in this place there is float. Okay, then also it is function overloading, because arguments may be same, but what, the return type will is different. So either the return type have to be different, or the arguments have to be different. Okay, and the function name will stay the same. Okay, that is function overloading. Now see how it is called is, one object class is sum, so object of class sum is created, that is named given is obj. Now I have called, so this is calling which one, you can directly understand which function it is calling. See, both function is name add, but you looking at it, you can yourself say which one it is calling, right? See, three arguments are there, that's why it is, you can directly say it is calling this, because here it is three arguments, here it is only two arguments, so you cannot add these three arguments here, right? And here two arguments are being called, so it is referring to the first add function. Simple, right? So that's why it is called function overloading. Alright, in function overloading, the name of the functions will be same, but either the return type or the arguments must be different, or both can be different, right? Alright, so I will end the video here. I will discuss encapsulation in our next video. Alright.